everybody, Miko here again for my 28-day self-imposed live stream challenge. Today is day 11 and we are going to go talk about another chapter from my book, How a Potion Stamp Saved My Life. And this time we're going to talk about how to stay focused, because a lot of us can get really, especially for entrepreneurs, we like so many different things. We can get distracted from what we should be doing, and so we see this shiny object and we go to that one, and we go to this one, and we go to that one, and we're just not sure. So this is a way to help you to stay focused on your business goals and in just your goals in general in life. It has been said that you get in life what you focus on. And I truly, truly believe that. And this rule, it applies to everything that we get in life, whether it's starting a business. We start the business because that's what we're focusing on, whether it's getting a raise. You've been thinking about getting a raise, how to do more things to get a raise, so you got one. If you want to get married, then that's your focus. You're thinking about how I can attract a mate. So everything that you focus on is what eventually shows up in your life. So your focus drives everything you do, and actually your focus equals your reality. If you focus on negative things, then you're going to get negative things in your life. If you focus on positive things, then you're going to get positive things in your life. So basically it comes down to what is your focus. So being focused on something, especially that's positive, it's really going to help you achieve your goals. So there are three things that I'm going to talk about, three ways that you can help you to stay focused. But before I talk about that, I want to talk about one of my favorite motivational speakers, and that was Zig Ziglar. Oh my goodness, I love this man. He was absolutely an amazing speaker. I wish I would have had the opportunity to have seen him in person, but I have his tapes and I listen to him all the time. And when it came to the topic of goals, he just flat out sold you on why you needed to have goals. He asked, I love this, are you a meaningful specific or a wandering generality? And basically, in other words, what that means is, do you have a definite, clear plan of action for your life and for your business? Or are you just going along with the ride and whatever happens is what happens? So the next thing that Zig talked about was writing your goals down on paper, because he said if you didn't write them down, then basically your goals are just dreams, wishes that are just never ever going to come true. You have to write them down. And did you know that the act of writing actually sharpens your thinking and stimulates more creativity? So when you take the time and you write down something, the thing is you are focusing on that thing, and this helps you to stay focused. So, and this forces you to spend time on that particular goal that you want. And remember, whatever you focus on, that's what you're feeling. And what you're feeling is what you're going to act on in life. So here are the three things. Number one, I want you to go to the store and get those bulletin boards that you can write on. And basically, I have two. I have one at my job and I have one at home. And then I have a little tiny one in my car, because who of us are not in our car all the time? And basically on that board, you want to write down the goals that you want to accomplish this year. Because if you focus on those goals every single day, then you are going to do something about it. If you come home and you see those goals, you're like, okay, I have to do this. If you go to work, you see those goals, you have to do it. And if you're in your car and you see them, you're going to do something about it. So put those goals in front of you. Make sure you work hard for them so that you can stay focused on what you want to do for this year. And then every morning when you wake up, you will see this visual picture of what you want to do. So I have like a board. It's a bunch of pictures of things that I want to accomplish. And by seeing that, several times a day in different locations, at home, at work, it reinforces in my mind the importance of what I want to focus on, and what I plan to achieve this year. My online mentor, Brendan Burchard, he says that major challenges, major frustrations, and major problems demand multiple areas of attack. So if you want to accomplish something, if you want to focus on something you want to accomplish, you have to go at it at all sides. You have to do it from at work, at home, just so you can stay focused and achieve your goals. The second thing I want you to do, and I learned this from Brendan as well, is set an alert on your phone. Like, I had no idea that you can actually write on your phone different labels. So basically, what you want to do, you want to go to the clock, and then hit alarm. And then when you hit the alarm, under label, write down the goal that you particularly want to accomplish. And then, of course, hit save. And then every day at that time, you'll get a buzzer letting you know that this is the goal that you want to accomplish, that you want to focus on this. So you'll get this alert every single day, and that will help you to stay focused on what you want to achieve this year. This was like, oh my goodness, this was the best thing I had ever heard of, and I didn't even know that it was possible that you could do this. But I was like, yeah, because if you get this alert, then you're not going to forget about it, and you're going to do something about it to achieve what you want to achieve. The third thing is, as I talked about it in the beginning, it's writing things down. And Entrepreneur on Fire host John Lee Dumas, he had a journal, and he called it the Freedom Journal. And basically, he wrote down in that the things that he wanted to do, the things that the goals he believed that would create freedom in some area of his life. So for you, I would say get a journal and write down daily what it is that you want, so you can stay focused on it. Because as I talked about earlier, when you write it down, it actually stimulates in your brain different ways to be creative in that particular area. So writing down, having a journal, that is like one of the best ways to stay focused on what you want to do. Have like a to-do list, and make sure you put on there the most important things that you want to accomplish, so that at the end of the day, you can check it off and say, yeah, I did this. I remain focused. And this writing down, it's a great accountability partner. A lot of us need someone to keep us on track, but we don't have that many times as entrepreneurs. So writing stuff down, keeping yourself in check, this will help you to make sure that you stay focused and that you do everything that you set out to do. All right, you guys. So those are the 3 ways that I've come up with, and that I've learned how to be focused on what I want to do in life. So I hope these 3 things have served you in some way. And if they have, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. And this month, once again, I am an affiliate marketer for Andrew Warner. He is the founder of Mixergy, and he's going to be giving a free training tomorrow, February the 12th, on Facebook messenger marketing called Bot Academy. So there is a link underneath this video. Sign up for the free class. I signed up for it. I'm in the class. It's absolutely an amazing a workshop. So hey, definitely sign up, and I'll see you on tomorrow. Bye-bye.